Oh, I forgot this one.
Well, then read it.
Mag.
Very good.
Jig and Mag. Jig and Mag. Jig and Mag.
Turn the page. Let's read about Jig and Mag.
Jig and Mag. Jig and Mag. Jig, jig, jig.
Oh, this one looks hard. All right, let's read what it says.
Jig. Jig.
Mm-hmm.
And what is that word?
We'll sound it out.
Is.
Good.
A. D.
No, that's B, remember?
B. N. G. Nigd.
No.
Nig.
B. B. No, this is jig, and this is b. Ig.
Jig. Sit.
Oh, look at the word. Look at this is J-I-G, right? And this is B-I-G. So this is jig, and this is b. Ig.
Jig. Is. A. Big.
Good.
P.
I.
Ig. Pig.
Good.
Jig is big pig.
It's a big pig.
Jig is a big pig.
He's a big pig.
Big, big, big pig, big, big pig. Ooh, he's number one. Jig.
I can't see. I can't help you if I can't see.
New word.
All right.
New word. K. A. N. Cat.
No. You said the right sound. N on the end.
K. A. N. Can.
Can. Very good.
Can.
That one's d. D. That's the D. D.
D. Ag.
I.
Dat.
I. I for I. I.
D. Ig. Dig. And. Dig.
He can dig and dig. Read the whole thing, please.
Dig. Jig. Can. Dig. And dig.
Good.
You can dig and dig. Ag. Mag.
Mag.
Mag. Can. Dig. And dig.
Good. Yuck.
Wow,
That's a long sentence.
Jig and dig.
Jig and mag.
Jig and
Right,
mag.
so, what does it say?
D. D. A.
I.
I. G.
No. D. D. I. D.
D. I. B.
D. That's a D.
D. I. D. Dut.
D.
Dat.
I. D.
Dat.
No. Try again. You're sounding it out correctly. You're not putting it together correctly. D. I. D.
Did.
Did.
Jig. Did. Jig. Ooh, new word.
New word.
What is W?
It's a W. W.
W.
I.
I. When. When.
Read the whole thing, and you know the question mark, right? That means it's a question.
So we already did that.
No, I want you to read the whole sentence.
If we read that one first, I'll know what it is. D. D. Did. Did. Jig. When.
Good. Now what's the second one?
D. Did. Mig.
Try again. There's not an I, it's an A, right?
Ag. Mag. When.
Good.
Jig. Jig.
Jig.
B.
No, remember that's a D.
D.
The D
Yeah,
has the
duh.
curve on the outside.
D. It. D. D. Did.
Good.
W. Atn.
No, that's it. It's the same word as over here. What word was it?
W.
I.
N. When.
Good.
Jig. And.
No, read the word.
D. D. I. D. Did. Jig. Did. When.
Good.